Angie, besides the bashing, how do you handle yung constructive criticism?
Ayun, I take it at heart. Kasi yun yung mga bagay din na pwede mo din reference na, oh yeah, may kulang nga, so may dapat pa akong i-improve. So may dapat pa din akong ma-improve din. And dapat very meticulous ka din kung paano mo basahin yung mga comments kasi may comments na it's constructive at may criticisms din na is destructive. So it depends on you where are you going to listen to, kung ano yung mas ilalagay mo din sa head mo. Kasi in order for us to have that healthy thinking is we choose then what we should listen to. Kung ano ba yung dapat natin pakinggan. So
paano mo naman sinasaway yung, kasi some of your fans naging aggressive sila because akala nila yung constructive criticism is part of bashing na. Lagi, I never forget to remind them every time. Hindi ako nagkulang na mag-message sa admin na please tell them wag nang patulan. Kasi at the end of the day, bashers pa rin sila, will always be basher. At sometimes din may iba din kasing fan na nagpre-pretend to be a fan of mine but are not a fan of mine. So, these are the same people and all. And wala namang magagawa and it's their feelings. I cannot stop them but what I can remind them and lagi ko remind na wag patulan. Kasi kapag pinatulan mo, sa atin pa rin balik. Kasi diba, gano'n naman talaga. Pag binash ka, tapos pumatul ka sa bash, ikaw pa rin yung masama.
Aware ka naman dun sa yung mga screenshots dun sa scene mo sa Lindang. Parang cross-eye ka.
Yeah. Yan. Gusto nyo pa.
Aware ka.
Aware naman. Naging meme nga eh. Diba, ako naman sumikat dyan. Thank you so much.
Kung gagradean mo yung performance mo sa Lindang, anong grade mo? 1 to 10?
1 to 10? Sobrang baby pa eh. Sobrang baby pa. So, alam ko may i-improve pa. And we're all a working progress ha. We don't just get good in a single day. Yung mga artista din na iba din na kakasalang lang nila, they've been through workshops a lot of times na before sinalang sila. I've never been in workshops. So, it's my first time and I just know for a fact na we're all a working progress. And it's more sweeter if you really begin na walang-wala. Kasi as you go, as you progress, it's more satisfying. So, I think that's just how life is, right?
Pinagtanggol ka naman ni Direct FM.
Yeah, sobrang grateful ako kay Direct FM kasi siya talaga din yung parang one of the reasons din na I really wanted to do my best din kasi lagi niyang sinasabi na alam mo Ange, walang ibang makakapag-justify sa galing mo kundi ikaw lang. So, kung hindi pa man yan ngayon, siguro, in time, pag makita kita, basta, palimutan ko yung sinabi ni Direct. Basta may sinabi siyang about na he believes in me. And thank you so much Direct FM, kay Direct Jojo din ang bait-bait nila. Actually, dapat hindi nga sila maging mabait sa amin kasi baguhan kami, dahil baguhan lang kami. Pero dapat yung maging sobrang strict sila. Naging strict naman sila na yung strict para hindi kami binibaby. Hindi naman kami binibaby, pero still, they're still so kind to us. Encouraging us. Yeah, diba? They're so kind for encouraging us na to do better. So, sobrang grateful kasi we're surrounded with the right people sa set.
And clarification lang. So it was by coincidence na kaya hindi ka nakapag-acting workshop before Lindang. Kumbaga dahil sa sobrang short notice na wala na talagang time.
Aside sa short notice, ang dami ko pang ginagawang other stuff.
So hindi talaga choice na dahil ayaw mo mag-workshop or ano?
Oo, hindi talaga choice.
Hindi kasi yun kasi yung inaano ng mga bashers sa'yo, ginagawa ka ng story na sinadya mo na hindi ka mag-workshop. So ngayon, malinaw na talagang ano lang talaga. Na talagang nagkataon lang talaga na super busy mo.
Okay. Yeah. Nagkataon lang na super busy. May ginagawa din ako. I was preparing din sa EP ko that time last year. So it was around last year. So we're conceptualizing and all. And we have, we're preparing din at that time for, tabing ilog. So nagka-dikit-dikit lahat.
Thank you.
Kumusta
Tapos
kayo?
nagkakasakit-sakit pa ako.
Kumusta kayo ni Kais after ng team up niyo sa Lintang?
Okay lang naman kami. We still work together. Nag-asap pa kami, yung last Sunday? Last Sunday, magkasama pa rin kami. We still sing together. We're still working together. And ayun.